E para e ti toko te o marama. Kia ora. My name is Taiaria and I live in Turangi.
Kia ora koutou. We're here today with Taiaria in Turangi. She's pretty special. She's taken ownership of this tree that was planted outside her whare. Is this your tree?
Yeah,
Is it a girl tree or a boy tree?
it's a boy.
It's a boy. And does he have a name?
Yeah,
What's his name?
Rako. He's special because of these flowers and the rocks.
Where did you get those from?
From the Tongariro River.
What else do you do with rako?
I sing songs. Te pu, I kara taku ahikin, tau te pu.
We had a little bit of problems with vandalism of quite a few of the trees here in town, and Taiaria told her mum that she wanted to take special care of her tree, and we're hoping that more people in Turangi will actually take note of what Taiaria's done here, and they might like to do the same.
I love my tree. I want it to grow big and strong. To want a tree, you have to look after it.